Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be recreating a look by, I don't know how to say her name, but I freaking love her on Instagram. Microsoft. I don't know how to say her name, but this is the look. Don't think I'm going to be doing the things on the eyes just because I just got my lash extensions done and I don't want to mess them up. Yeah, I want to recreate this little evil eye Valentine's look. For today's look, I'm going to be using the Mehron Makeup Paradise Paint Palette. And oh my god, I haven't touched this shit in a long time. I'm going to be using water and the white paint, bits of that, and then I'm going to take a brush and we're just gonna kind of make hearts around her face. I'm gonna just go for it, I guess. So we're just gonna do hearts like that around her face. And she kind of just has 4, but I'm gonna do as many as I can. I'm gonna go over this one right here again, and this is just to make it more opaque. Obviously the first layer had my makeup on it, so the second layer will be nice and opaque. So I'm just adding some more of these hearts all around my face. You can literally just pick wherever you want. And like some of my other looks, you guys know sometimes I like to put my own little twist to this. So I'm just drawing these little white circles around my face. So the next step in that is making a little dot. So I'm using the lightest blue and I'm mixing it with white to create this color, and I'm just making circles for the middle of the evil eyes. Then with that same blue color, I'm just making a ring inside the white dot that I created. And I'm going to grab a thicker brush and I'm going to dip it into the cobalt blue. And this is going to go around what I just did. And then with some black face paint or eyeliner, whatever you have, I'm just filling in a little dot inside the evil eye, and then I'm just going to be drawing little like almond shapes around the dots in the hearts. And these are going to be my little evil eyes. So I'm going to have 2 types of evil eye. And we're just going to do like little dashes on top. And these little dashes that are on the top and the bottom of the almond shape are like little eyelashes. Then I am drawing little circles. Like I said, I'm going to have these evil eyes. And I decided to scatter them around my face and kind of make some a little bit smaller and some a little bit bigger. So I used a reference picture of an evil eye and I mixed all the colors as best I could to the colors that I was referencing. And here I'm just creating a little circle inside of the white filled circle. And this one is just going to be one line, the diameter, the size of the brush. And I'm going to use a cobalt blue, and I'm going to make a circle around the white filled circle. So it's going to make like a kind of a border type thing, and I'm going to do that to all of them. So now I'm just putting the middle of the evil eye. Now I'm gonna just continue the little eyes. So this is the final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this recreation. I want to do some more evil eye looks in the future. But yeah, this is everything for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already. Make sure to check out my Instagram to see pictures of this look and all my other looks. And that is everything for this video. I'll see you guys in my next Valentine's video.